Giselle in Wonderland. My history it developed in Egypt. It is a country very beautiful, with many traditions and stories that are interesting for humanity. Besides, it was the cradle of the ancient Egyptian civilization. Its monuments more important are the Great Sphinx and Pyramids of Giza. Okay, let's go to the story. Once upon a time, there was a witch camel who had a lot of gold inside his body and was one of the most desired camels in the world. This camel was the sacred mascot of Pharaoh Khufu, who invented the art and science, was a protector of secret wisdom, and was known as the Snake of Wisdom. He had hidden the camel inside a great pyramid and nobody knew about it. I was Pharaoh Khufu's slave. He never looked at me or spoke to me, but one day everything changed because Pharaoh spoke to me for the first time and said, "From today you will be my trust person. I hope you won't disappoint me." When he said this, I was surprised and I said, "Thanks for trusting my service." After a few hours, the Pharaoh Khufu called me and said, "In the Jaffa pyramid you will find a very special camel. You will never talk about this animal with anyone. You will be the one in charge of feeding him." Soon after, two guards followed me and found the camel's secret location. For that, they sedated me and stole the camel. Then Pharaoh, upon hearing this terrible notice, he expelled me from his kingdom, and said, "Here you will not be welcome. Go away." I was sad, so to fix the problem, I decided to find the camel. One day, I was walking in the Persian market, when suddenly I heard the conversation of two men. One of them said, "I stole a camel that is unique in the world. The camel is hidden near a pyramid. Let's see it." I quickly followed them to where the camel was and they were surprised by my presence. Then, when they saw me, they killed the camel and stole all the gold and they escaped. I thought the camel had died, but immediately it turned into a snake, and it could speak, so he said, "Giselle, drink this magical potion." I drank the magical potion and converted me in a fairy. For that, I promised the camel that I will find the gold and the thieves. Then with a spell give them bad luck lifelong. For a long time, I traveled for many cities in Egypt to manage to find the thieves. Eventually, one day, I managed to find the thieves. Looking at this unlucky situation, asked for forgiveness, returned the gold, and promised never to do so again. Lesson learned: you should not take what is not of your own, because this will bring consequences. Thank you.